Hi, I'm Crystal Steno.
Hi, Kevin Wilkinson.
We're from Williamsburg High School and we're here to pitch our STEM project.
When we were thinking of ideas for our STEM project, we tried to think of the needs of our students first. One of the problems at our school is that we don't have a nice outdoor space for students, classes, for lunch, for relaxation, really for any type of outdoor activity. So we decided to create a functional outdoor space for our school with a STEM twist, which would be a solar-powered classroom. This space would function as an outdoor classroom, a lunchtime hangout, a solar laboratory, essentially anything we could think of for outdoor use.
In order to bring our project to life, we have 4 major steps in our process. Our first step is the design. Students will be involved in the design process as much as possible. We have already begun the design process through our customer discovery phase. We are using the design thinking process with our students in order to get them to create and share ideas about what they want in their outdoor space. Our hope is that after going through the design thinking process a few times with revisions, we will get enough valuable information from our customers or students in order to design a feasible structure that is within our budget. We have asked students to learn about solar panels as well in order to design a structure that will allow our solar panels to be fully functional. We are working with Confluence, a design firm with offices in Iowa City and Cedar Rapids, to create a mock design for marketing purposes.
The next step in our process will to actually build the structure. Again, our goal is to get as many students involved in this process as possible. We're working with some of the local contractors, landscaping, and concrete businesses in order to have professional supervise and assist the students in the construction of this process. We hope to have students designing and building the structure that will hold the solar panels as well as the seating in the outdoor classroom itself.
Our next step is maintenance. After our structure is built and fully functional, we then need to maintain the facility. We plan on teaching our students how to clean and maintain the solar panels in hopes that they can become more familiar with them. We also plan on doing data collection. Inside the structure, we plan on having a data collection hub that will allow us to monitor the data from our solar panels and electricity consumption. We hope to use this data in our classes for experimentation and data analysis.
So you may be asking yourself, how is this STEM? Creating a project will allow for a lot of different departments at our school to work together towards a singular goal.
For example, the business department would be marketing consultants, sales people, contacting local businesses, going outside the building as much as possible to interact with the community. Stress the importance of the renewable energy, the tax benefits the businesses might have if they participate. The engineering, of course, the industrial technology department would deal with engineering aspects, including overseeing of the design, the construction, the assembly, the weight bearing, all of those types of angles. The mathematics would calculate formulas for solar panels, track consumption of savings in data, spreadsheets, perform data analysis for budgeting. Science department could use the outdoor classroom as a renewable energy lab, solar energy. We'd love to make a wind energy eventually, water energy eventually. There are a lot of uses that we could grow to, but first things first, as far as the budget, we really like to focus on the solar component. Our horticulture or plant science ag department could be consultants for the landscape design, focus on aspects of the design that others may not consider, the water runoff, the upkeep, the maintenance, a lot of different angles they can look at.
But we have key partners in the industry that have offered the ability to donate their time and resources to help this project come to life. Working currently with Confluence, we're hoping to get marketing plans that will make our ability to do fundraising easier as we start having further conversations with businesses to help raise funds. The scope of this project really depends on how many funding resources we can get. We currently applied for a grant through one of our local businesses to hopefully help cover some of these costs. If we can't get enough funding, we hope to include other types of renewable energy resources as well, such as wind and kinetic energy.